Okay, so for problem number 1, you have to graph and do a table for this equation here. So first, I thought it would be helpful if you put it in y equals mx plus b format. So to do that, I'd set up a little train tracks. Yeah, sure. Nope, that's still. Is it that one? Oh no, it's that one. Okay. So I set up train tracks, and first I subtracted 6x, giving you, we'll just go down here, negative 3y is equal to 9 minus 6x. And then if you multiply by negative 1, you can just turn this positive and then flip, or no, you can just, so if you multiply by negative 1, you can theoretically just flip these, and so it would give you 3y is equal to 6x minus 9. And then for the magical part, we divide by 3, giving you an answer of y is equal to 2x minus 3. So if that's your equation here, then you would have to put that on the graph. And so your negative 3 is going to be your y-intercept. So if we'll call this 3 right here. If it's y equals 2x, you're going up by 2 on the y every 1x, rise over run. So your next point would be there, and then there, and then there, and then there, and it's about as, or no, not there. That's not right. Right, there. Okay, and this one would just keep going that way. Good enough. And that would just keep going. So there's your graph. And then for the table, let's see. Gonna have to erase all that. God, that's gonna take forever. Yes. Big boy eraser. Okay, so, and then I'll rewrite that equation. Y equals 2x minus 3. So if that's your case, we're going to start with the lowest point on here, which is x is equal to negative 1 and y is equal to negative 5. And then when x is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 3 because your y-intercept. And then when x is equal to 1, this is equal to negative 1, 2, positive 1, 3, 3, 4, 5. And there you go. Okay, so first,
so you can stack them to make it a little easier. So, or I just stacked them, so 6x, and then, or 6 times 10 to the negative third. And so then, since these are like, you can just multiply these, which will give you 28.8. And then you multiply these, and to multiply the things, you just add them, or the exponents, you just add them. So 7 plus negative 3 is 4. So then you get 10 to the 4th. But this has to be in between 0 and 9.99. Yeah, 1 and 9.99. So then you have to change this into 2.88 times 10 to the 5th.
So in other words, you divided 28.8 by 10. So if you divide the 28.8 by 10, what do you have to do with the times 10 part to compensate? Multiply by 10, or add one more power of 10. Okay.
Okay, so where's the pen? Oh, I found it. Okay, So for this one, you have to start off by dividing 4.8 and 6, and then you get 0.8. And then you have to subtract the exponent since we're dividing, and then you get times 10 to the 10th. And then since the first number has to be between 1 and 9.999, you have to multiply this by 10, so you get 8. And then you have to take away one of the exponents, and you get 10 to the 9th.